Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. The value of 0.4 divided by 0.004 plus 0.5 divided by 0.05. So 1 0.4 0.004 plus 0.5 0.05, it's 4 here 3 point, so 30 over there, 1, so 1, it's become 4 plus 5 20 10, so it's become 100 plus 10, 110. So D is the right answer. Question number 2. 176 into 0.00125 is equal to, so 2, 176 into 0.00125, that is 176 into 125 by 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 800. So in 8 100 2 2, so 2 by 100, it's become 0.22. So B is the right answer. Question number 3. The ratio of LCM and HCF of 270 and 405 is, first we calculate the LCM of 270 and 405, and after that we calculate the HCF of 270 and 405 and get the ratio of the result. So 3, 270 405, first 5 4 21, 3 18 27, 3 9 6 9 3 2 3. So LCM 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 10, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, so 810. And we calculate the HCF of these two numbers, that is 270 divided by 405, it's become 1 2 0 5 3 1 272. So HCF is 135. So ratio of LCM and HCF is 810 ratio 135, that is 6:1. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. Find the square root of 84.768849. So we calculate the square root of this number by divide method. 4 84.768849, 9 9 is 81, that is 3, after that we put point over there, 76, 9 18 2, it's become 4, this will become 2 1 88, so it's become 4 18. So this is small number, so if you put 0 over there, 0, it's become 49. So 7 7 1 2 8 8 4 9. So the square root of this number is 9.207. So C is the right answer. Question number 5. The 1/3 capacity of a drum is 180 liter. What quantity of water is required to fill the drum? So question number 5. 1/3 equal to 180 liter. 1, that is equal to 180 into 3 liter, that is 540 liter. So C is the right answer. Question number 6. The selling price of 6 mangoes is equal to cost price of 8 mangoes. Then the percentage of profit is. We calculate it from formula. We know that 8 minus 6 by 6 into 100 profit percentage, that is 2 by 6 into 100, or 100 by 3, that's mean 33.1 by 3%. So D is the right answer. Question number 7. The average of 10 number is 30. Later it was discovered that the number 15 and 23 are wrongly taken as 51 and 32. The correct average is. So wrongly taken 51 over 15. So difference is 36, and 32 taken instead of 23. So difference is 32 minus 23, 9. So total difference is 45. Average of 10 number is 30. Total of 10 number 30 into 10, that is 300. But here 45 is wrongly taken, so it's become total of 10 number become of 10 number is 300 minus 45, that is 245. So average is 255 by 10, that is 25.5. So A is the correct answer. A man travel a certain distance at the rate of 10 km per hour and return to the same point at the rate of 15 km per hour. His average speed is. So question number 8. We simply calculate it from formula. The formula is 2xy by x plus y, that is 2 into 10 into 15 divided 10 in plus 15, that is 2 into 10 into 15, 25, 2, 5, 3, that is 12. So A is the right answer. Question number 9. Mr. Das deposit an amount of rupees 35,000 to obtain a simple interest at the rate of 15% for 4 years. What total amount Mr. Das get at the end of 4 years? So we calculate it from formula principle, that is 35,000 time, that is 4 years rate, that is 15%. So interest is PTR by 100, that is 35,000 into 4 into 15, by 100, that is 350 into 60, it's become 21,000. So interest is 21,000 and capital, that is principal, is 35,000. So total amount he get, total amount 35,000 plus 21,000, that is 56,000. So A is the right answer. Question number 10. 8 horses food is equal to 6 cow food. How many cows can eat the food meant for 20 horses? So 8 horses food equal to 6 cow food. 1 horses food equal to 6 by 8 cow food. 20 horses food equal to 6 by 8 into 20 cow food, that is 4, 5, 2, 3, that is 15 cow food. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.